Okay, God's morning mga brothers and sisters and to all viewers around the world, especially here in Dubai. Thank you so much for watching my video regarding about NOL Card. The part 1, part 2, and part 3 of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. And now what we are going to talk about is part 4. The part 4 is all about Dubai taxi. From this video, you're gonna see how I use this NOL Card regarding about Dubai taxi. Okay, sa video na ito, mga kapatid, at kung sino man ang manonood at makakapanood ng video na ito, doon makikita ninyo kung paano ko ginamit yung NOL Card Silver sa Dubai taxi. Yung Dubai taxi, para sa kaalaman ninyo, yun yung kulay yellow. Kulay yellow siyang taxi. So, yun magagamit ninyo. Ang kagandahan doon sa video, makikita ninyo kung magkano, may resibo din. At makikita nyo yung taxi driver, pinakita niya din doon sa video na kung paano ito gamitin, ko ano yung mga selection para doon. So, maraming salamat sa pagtangkilik dito sa YouTube channel na ito, na ang goal ko ay matulungan ko si Google na gumawa ng video, hindi lang dun sa sulat. Ang goal ko ay matulungan ko rin ang mga ating mga kababayan, gayon din ang ibang nasyonalidad, para makita ninyo yung informasyon kung paano ito gamitin. So, God bless you at I hope na ma-enjoy ninyo yung video and see you dito. To all brothers and sisters and all viewers of this channel, I'm here in RTA taxi, no? Dubai taxi. Now, we're talking about Dubai taxi. What we are going to use, we are going to use NOL Card here. So later on, you're gonna see. Later on, I'm gonna tour you also to all brothers and sisters who's watching this video to help you and give you information regarding this NOL Card Silver. So see you later and God bless you.
meters, continue straight. Continue straight. Continue for 1 kilometer. In 500 meters, turn right. Take the next right, then turn left. Take the next left, then your destination will be on the right. Your destination is on the right.
Alright, thank you to all viewers. So now, what we are going to use this NOL Card Silver, no? So it's here. Sir, could you please help us to guide our viewers?
Yes.
Okay.
This is cash, credit card, NOL card, Alipay, and QR code.
Alright.
So we use NOL card. Okay, we choose option NOL card.
Okay.
And this is credit machine.
Alright.
You see.
Okay. See.
If you want intertip, okay. See, yes. You don't like, okay, no. So we tap card just
NOL Card.
like this. 1, 2. So we already receive payment. If you show this option, then you check finish. So we receive payment and meter almost showing you payment complete. If you want receive, print receive. If you don't like, thank you so much.
Alright. Sir, is it possible to get the receipt from yours or no receipt?
Yes, we receive. If you want receipt possible,
Yes.
we make print here, print, and receipt print here possible. You check 1, 2. Okay.
Okay, see? To all viewers, so here is the receipt. Total is 12 dirham only. So, how many station that one is from the gardens? The gardens.
Two stations.
Or only 2 station, 12 dirham because they have 5 dirham, right?
Yeah, starting 5 there.
5 dirham. Alright. So, thank you so much for watching this video to all viewers. See you on the next video about the information regarding Silver NOL Card. So, God bless you.